Hi, in this video we are going to look at the simple present tense and some WH questions and some reduced sounds. Now the reduced sounds are do you and do not. In English, do you is often spoken dia, dia. For example, listen, who do you like? Where do you go? What do you do? Do you like to eat sushi? Do you work near here? Do you have free time? Do you want to come to my house? Who do you want to talk to? Dia, dia, dia. Now, do not is don't. Now, you probably know don't, maybe not dia, because dia is spoken only. We only speak it and hear it. You don't actually write it, except maybe in a comic book. But don't, that's written. You can write don't. So let's look at some WH questions with dia. So what do you? What do ya? What do ya? For example, what do you do? What do you do? You might say, I work at home. I don't work in an office. Okay, next. When do you? When do ya? When do ya? When do you get to work? When do you get to work? When do you wake up? Right? When do you watch TV? When do you get home? Etc. I get to work at 8. I don't arrive until 8:30. Where do you? Where do you? Where do you? Where do you go on the weekends? Where do you work? Where do you live? I play soccer in the park. I don't stay at home, right? So positive and negative sentences. Next, who do you? Who do you? Who do ya? Who do ya? Who do you talk to every day? Who do you work with? Who do you like? Who do you hang out with? So we have, who do you talk to every day? I talk with my friends. I don't talk with my sister. Actually, you should talk with your sister. I talk to my sister. Next we have, how do you? How do you? How do ya? How do ya? Example, how do you get to work? How do you get to school? How do you feel today? Right? So we have, how do you get to work? I drive to work. I do not take the bus. So if you want to stress not, I do not take the bus, then you would not contract it, you would split it. Okay, we also have some yes-no questions. For example, Gia, do you live close to here? Do you live close to here? Or, yes, I live down the street. Or, no, I live far away. So, do you, dia, before the verb for a yes-no question. Example, do you have a pet? Do you have a car? Do you have free time, right? Do you have a big kitchen? So, do you have a pet? Yes, I do. No, I don't. And that's it. So that's dia and don't. Dia is very, very important. So, for example, let's say I ask you some questions like, do you like to learn English? And do you want to go somewhere today? And who do you hang out with? And what do you do in your free time? Dia, dia, dia. Very important in English. And that's it. That's the lesson. Talk to you soon. Take care.